What is up, YouTube? It is AccuPhase, and today we are playing some Fallout 4. And I think what we're going to be doing today is we're going to find where Billy the Kid is. So, that's called no, sir. Okay, so let me pull out my Pip-Boy right here, and we are currently right close to University Point, and we're going to just take a little trip down. I think Billy should be somewhere around University Point. So, I'm on the map right here. For people, okay, I'm gonna start, so this is like my sanctuary, and there's Vault 111, where you first start out. Now, you're just gonna want to come down here, and you have, there is Diamond City right there, and you just come down, and, University Point is right there, and then Billy should be around in here. So, yeah, now that you know where he should be like really, really close. So I'm gonna try to find him really quick. Hold on. That's easy. He's probably over here. I think he's over here. Is he over here? I don't know why it's raining. It's like really depressing right now. But, ooh, what's in here? Nothing's in here. No. Okay. Alright. Maybe. Oh, I see a refrigerator.
Is someone in there?
Yeah, we found him. So I'm gonna let y'all listen to the narration. I'm just not gonna talk. All right.
Who are you?
What does that matter? Just let me out.
What?
How did you end up in there?
I hid in here to get away from the bomb. But there isn't a handle on the inside, and it's really dark in here.
The bombs were over 200 years ago. You're that old?
I don't know how long I've been in here. A long time, though. A really long time. Please, I don't want to die in here.
Okay, so.
Why should I trust you?
I'm really tired and lonely. Can you just open the door?
All right, I'm opening it.
Okay, I'll let you out.
Yes. I've been stuck in here for so long.
I feel bad for him.
Hurry up. Shoot the door off.
Just gonna. Maybe. Can I, like, break it up? Oh, yeah.
Are so stiff. Everything's so different.
Oh, so he's a ghoul.
For a really long time. What do I do now?
So, what's the story with you and that fridge?
Got my cloud goggles.
Long ago, back before everything got wrecked. When I heard the sirens, I tried to find someplace safe. When everything started to shake and fall apart, I just crawled inside. When it got quiet again, I tried to get out, but there isn't a handle on the inside. I just want to go home. Can you help me? Please?
Let's see where he
Where
lives.
did you live?
Quincy, but I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up. I just want to find out what happened to my mom and dad.
Okay, so his parents are Quincy.
I hate to tell you this, but your parents are probably dead. Sorry, Billy.
Dead? You really think so? Then I'm all alone. Who's going to take care of me? You?
I'm gonna just.
You can travel with me, see the world, or what's left of it.
Yeah.
I think I should give up trying to find my parents.
Yes, I do. They've been gone for hundreds of years now.
Uh-oh, what was that? Something just happened. Oh, guys. Hold up. We have technical difficulties. Oh my, what is this? What just happened? Oh, I see it. Something happened. I don't know. I'm sorry about that, guys. I don't know what happened, but.
Until some monster comes and eats me. Thanks for nothing. It's nighttime and it's still kind of bright.
Okay.
Black in the fridge.
I'm gonna take him with me. I'm gonna help him find his parents.
At least you got me out of that fridge.
I'll take you someplace safe.
I just want to go home. I want to find my mom and dad.
Then let's go find your home. You'll be safe with us, Billy.
Thanks. I live in Quincy. Or at least I used to. But I don't know how to get there. Everything's so different. It's all blown up.
Alright, so, I didn't even know I had my cloud goggles on, honestly. But anyway, yeah, so we have to go find Billy's parents, and they should be in Quincy. So, think Quincy's down here. So, yeah, let's set a marker right here. And let's go to Quincy, guys. Alright, so, yeah, let's get a move on real quick. Oh, what's that? Oh, geez, what is this? Okay. Hold on, let's see. Oh, okay, no, I don't have that. Never mind, I don't have that in my hand yet. Alright, I wonder what that was, because... Whoa. Uh-oh. Oh, who's this dude? Alright, I'm gonna take out my 10mm. So I love that thing. Hey, what's this dude? Alright, wait, who is this? Who is this? Bullet. Oh, wait, hold on. Bullet, yeah. Who is this? Should I he's not, wait, who is he? Who's this dude? Come on, talk to me. Hello? Hello? I'm gonna hit you if you don't talk to me. Okay, I didn't mean to do that, but okay then. He's not talking to me, so I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, it looks like, Quincy's that way, so let's go. Alright. Okay, it's like, it's a little laggy, I don't know why. Oh, my voice cracked right there, I don't, ugh. Oh. Okay, there's like a little settlement over there. Huh. I see some people. I don't really want to mess with those raiders right now. So yeah, let's let's just go to Quincy. Let's not mess with any raiders or I don't know. All right, we're really close. All right, Quincy was not that far away. Okay, I have actually never been to Quincy before, so I'm pretty new to this game. So yeah, bear with me, guys. Oh, I thought that was I don't know why I thought this lamp was a ghoul. Oh shoot. Oh, whew. Got out of that one. Alright. Oh, I hate mines so much. I just... Uh-oh. I see... Uh-oh. We have enemies on the radar. Is that one? Nah. Alright. I'm just gonna keep going. There's no ruin. Alright. Now, I don't know where Billy's house is. So, maybe I should just go looking for it? Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Alright, well, this is fun. We're on a wild goose chase right here. Alright, well, I'm gonna go down here. Maybe it's... Oh, maybe that's... No. I have a really sore throat, guys, so... Whoa, okay. I don't feel like it's this place. Is it over here? Where on the map are we, guys? So we're in Quincy right now. Okay. So we're in Quincy. Where would it be? Alright, so there is one of those. Okay, I reached level 10, great. Maybe his house is over here? Guys, I honestly don't know where his house is. Hope no raiders. Oh, I'm here. I don't know why it's so dark and stormy today, but, I kinda want to sleep through that, 'cause I don't really, okay, so, guys, I have no idea where the heck Billy's house is, so, I have no idea. Like, I'm clueless right now. Oh no. My Lark Hunter, no thank you, sir. No, sir, I don't want to tangle with this thing. I don't want to, I don't feel like, no, not today. Not today. No, sir. Okay, now I'm really confused. I wish it gave me like a little mile, marker or something like that. Yeah, come on, guys. I don't want to mess with that. So, I mean, y'all can, but I ain't. Ooh, you can't loot this thing. Oh, shoot, that is a live one. Oh. Oh, jeez. Okay, I thought Billy was a ghoul at first. Okay. Well, I mean, he is, but like a bad one. Okay, I'm getting out of here because I need to get a different gun and reload. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, here we go. Ah, jeez. It's like really laggy for some reason. Jeez, chill out, guy. Chill out, my guys. Alright, I'm getting out of here because I need to get some stim back, something. There's like a bunch of them. Okay, so, okay, no, we don't. So, hold on, real quick, let me get a little stim pack, something. It's like really laggy, I don't know why, I'm sorry about that. HP, ooh, hub flower, it's 10 HP, nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's all I needed. Nuka-Cola, I'm taking Nuka-Cola. Alright, now we're good. Alright, Preston, take him out. Oh, well, that was easy. Alright, I'm sorry I didn't help you guys, but, okay, okay, you know what was funny? I thought they were dead, and I was trying to loot them, and then they just woke up, and I was like, what? Oh my gosh. I mean, guys, I am, like, losing it. I'm so stupid. Is that his house? Maybe it's in here? I don't know. Peabody house. Okay. Is this his house? Oh, I think that's his house. I think that's his house. Okay, guys, so I'm going to show y'all where we are at the map. It's going to be the Peabody house, and it is... Okay, so once you find Billy, which I think he's, like, right here, it's going to give you a little marker to go to Quincy, and once you're at Quincy, you just follow this little road down, and it's Peabody house right there. I'm going to show you where that is on the map. There's University Point. And yeah, so okay, let's see what they have to say. I'm gonna be quiet.
Are you in there? Billy?
I'll let y'all hear the conversation.
Son, is that really you?
It's me. It's really me.
Oh my god! We thought you were dead.
What happened to you? You're all burned up like me.
We're ghouls, Billy. The radiation changed us. Looks like it did the same thing to you.
Don't worry about it, Billy. Your dad and I don't care what you look like. We still love you.
I love you too, Mom. I missed you guys. It's been so long.
Thank you for bringing us back our little boy.
Oh yeah.
Huh?
You made me think they were dead.
You there, in the house. I want those ghouls, especially that kid. You can give him up peaceful like, or die trying to save him.
Why does he want me?
Oh my god, they want Billy.
They won't take us, Carol. At least not alive. Billy, get upstairs.
The house is empty. Looks like they left in a hurry.
You don't mind if we check for ourselves, do you? You should have taken my offer the first time.
Oh god, don't let them take Billy.
Alright, this dude's gonna help us. Mrs., you should probably go somewhere because this is gonna be hardish fight. Ooh, I don't want to steal that. Sorry. Jeez, okay, it's being like really laggy. I don't know why. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna inventory. I'm gonna drink this thing, and I'm gonna eat some Mentats, and I'm gonna take some purified water. Alright, now, let's put that in my inventory right here, cause I might need that. Alright. Uh-oh. Oh, no, sir. Alright, wow, she's already, like... Oh, shoot, wow, that was easy kill. Easy kill. Alright. Oh, my. Help, move, Preston, move. Jeez, I'm gonna go up there and snipe, because... Oh, shoot. Jeez, chill out. I need that stim pack. Actually, not really right now. Yo, now I need to chill, like, with throwing the grenades. Like, chill, okay? Like, chill out. Like, for real, man? Come on, chill out. Alright, oh my gosh, they need to, like, chill. Okay, well, these guys are... oh, wow. Okay. So, let's try this again, and now I know what to expect. I wish I had the junk jet, right now, but, oh my gosh. Okay, we're here. Okay, so where we're gonna need to go is Alright, we're pretty much headed toward it. Alright, so I leveled up again. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Alright, it was like right there. Alright. Well, I'm gonna level up my charisma, see if I can talk him out of it. So, hold on real quick. Bear with me, guys. Charisma. Boom. Charisma. Can I level up another one? Okay, whatever. Alright, so we're back at the Quincy house. We're gonna open... Alright, cool.
Hey there.
That's close enough.
Yeah.
I'll stand back. I don't mean any harm.
This is a dangerous area. Can't be too careful. We don't have anything worth stealing, so just move along, stranger.
Are you in there?
Alright, so Billy right here. Yeah, okay.
Is that really you?
It's me.
They look so happy.
Really me.
Look at Billy. I don't want to shoot him, so hold on.
Thought you were dead.
No.
Happened to
Oops.
you? You're all burned up like me.
We're ghouls, Billy. The radiation changed us. Looks like it did the same thing to you.
Don't worry about it, Billy. Your dad and I
He looks
don't
so
care
young.
what you look like. We still love you.
I love you too, Mom. I missed you guys. It's been so long.
Thank you for bringing us back, little boy.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You made me think they were dead.
You there, in the house. I want those ghouls, especially that kid. You can give him a peaceful life, or die trying to save him.
Why does he want me?
Oh my god, they want Billy.
Alright, who is that?
Take this, Carol.
Okay, I think that's
At least
Bullet,
he's
right?
alive.
Yeah.
Get upstairs.
The house is empty. Looks like they left in a hurry.
Yeah.
Damn it! All right, boys, we're heading south.
Alright, so, wow, we actually persuaded him.
Everybody be quiet.
Alright, so, okay, we convinced them that there weren't in here, so, okay, great. So yeah, basically, that's pretty much it, guys.
Bringing us back our little boy, and saving us from that man.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna
He's a
say,
good kid.
Here, take this. I
Ooh,
wish I had
caps.
more to give you, but we don't have much.
oh, thank you, man. Thank you, my guy. Alright, I'm gonna go talk to Billy one last time. Let's see what he has to say, if he has to say anything. Probably doesn't. Let's see. Let's see if he's up here. Hey, Billy.
I never thought I would see my mom and dad again.
Alright, so, yeah, guys. That's pretty much,
Go outside and play. All my friends are dead. It's almost like being back in that fridge.
Thank you for saying
Okay.
that, Billy.
So yeah, okay, I'm pretty sure that's it. I was trying to listen to what Billy had to say. But yeah, wow. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty interesting. I mean, what's in here? Nuka Cola. Nah, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not gonna take anything from them. So yeah, so now you guys know where Billy the Kid is. I'm pretty sure he's like the only kid ghoul that I know of because, I mean, I haven't seen any other kid ghouls, and I mean, comment if I'm wrong and there are other kid ghouls in the game, but I haven't found any. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Again, make sure you comment and tell me if there are more kid ghouls in the game or Billy's the only one, because I don't know. I'm really confused. I don't know. But anyway, like I was saying, go make sure you hit that subscribe button. And yeah, I think this is it, guys. AccuFaze out.